I'm Jake, and this is my bike check. I'll start at the front. Got the Odyssey bar ends. They're the Allen key ones, so they stay in there pretty good. The lime see-through Aaron Ross grips. Got the green and black exposure brake lever. The Animal brake cable in green. And my bars are Giant. My stem is Giant, but I have a new one. I need a spacer for it. It's a Fly Racing. Actually, no, Fly Racing. It's a Fly BMX. And that girl's looking at us. And I got the Giant forks. I think I got the Giant headset. And then move down to
Look at your rim.
Oh yeah, my rim's Giant. It's laced to a hub. The whole rim and other things are Giant. This is Kenda tire. Another Kenda tire, laced to, yeah, all the same back here too. Got the Giant pedals, Giant cranks, and I have a Kink Static 22 tooth sprocket or chain wheel in green. And I got the KMC chain. The hell is that? Tektro U-brake, Giant seat, and that's
Look at the frame.
oh yeah, Giant Method 03 frame. Pretty nice, 21-inch top tube. So yeah, it's my bike check. I'm done. Frig off, Ricky.